Okay. Now let us study about the branches of Indian Air Force. Okay, the branches of Indian Air Force. For the smooth functioning of an organization, different branches among staff is essential. Vast organization like Indian Air Force requires various branches to make organization successful and flawless. The responsibility of branches like flying, medical, administration and so on got their own respective role. In this lesson we discuss about the branches of Indian Air Force. So every organization require various branches. So what the responsibility of branches like flying, medical, administration and so on has their respective role. So in this lesson we will discuss about the branches of Indian Air Force. So Indian Air Force, the branches of Indian Air Force, because every organization got different branches. If you have got different branches, it is very easy and smooth for operational or functioning. Okay, a very important topic. So Indian Air Force, the different branches of Indian Air Force. Flying branch. So flying branch, name itself suggests that the flying branch is responsible for operation of all the aircrafts, the flying of all the aircrafts. Flying branch is always considered the top priority in the Indian Air Force. Navigation department, that is called navigation branch. What is important on navigation? You know, navigation is a very important for the smooth operation of every flight in the Indian Air Force. So navigation is very important branch, closely associated with the flying. That's the reason we have very strong navigation branch in the Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force also got a education branch. Education officers or the instructors, they are very important part of Indian Air Force, because the training of officers, training of airmen and all other who are involved in Indian Air Force, their education or their training part is taken care by the education branch of Indian Air Force. That's what education branch is, also an important branch of Indian Air Force. Of course, medical branch is very important, because during it's very important to keep health and fitness. At the same time, it is very important to give medical assistance to all those who are the part of Indian Air Force. So every station, wing or command, of course in Air Force there is a strong medical branch to take care of the officers and airmen of Indian Air Force. Administrative branch, administration branch take care the maintenance of administration of Indian Air Force, administration regarding services, records, all other important works related to administration. Logistic branch also. Logistic is very important, that is support branch of Indian Air Force. That's why logistic. Then we have med department or meteorology branch, and finally got a engineering branch of Indian Air Force. So Indian Air Force got flying branch, navigation branch, education branch, medical branch, administration branch, logistic branch, meteorological branch and engineering branch. Please write down. So the branches of Indian Air Force. Now you have to identify this aircraft. So identify this aircraft, at the same time identify the parts of aircraft, okay, where the machine is fitted in aircraft, what is called landing gear in aircraft. Of course I'll explain what is ailerons and elevators, okay, why the shape of aircraft is like this, where is the canopy or the cockpit. And question for you, you have to write me which aircraft is this. Now of course I'll explain further the marking of Indian aircrafts. Indian aircraft, there is a marking, of course, that we will study in the later part. So but observe this marking, okay. You can see two types of marking, one is rectangle shape, another is round shape. You can see here round marking. The colors of marking, please observe carefully. Observe the colors. Yeah. Hope you are able to understand which aircraft, name the aircraft, okay. So what we studied today, or what we studied in this particular chapter, we studied about various branches of Indian Air Force, okay. So branches of Indian Air Force, once again flying branch, navigation branch, education branch, medical branch, administration branch, logistic branch, meteorology branch and engineering branch. So branches of following are the different branches of Indian Air Force, okay. Take care, wish you a wonderful day. Thank you.